In 2015, an elite group of RV solar experts hatched a plan to buy out their boss and take ownership of their company. These men promptly grew the business, bringing clients from all over North America to Springfield, Oregon. Today, still innovating and delivering advanced mobile power systems to happy customers, they thrive as leaders in their field. If you need power, if you enjoy getting the most out of your RV, and if you go to their website, you can hire the AM Solar Team.